Junior.
Yeah, mums.
Look for your father. No, you don't see my take the number from the girl. Me don't know warm to them idiot man here. The man I take the number from the girl right in front of me. Me any morning come in here. What me fi do? Me fi ball? Me fi vex? What me fi do?
Boy, better you just go easy still now.
Me go ball. Me go ball when he ma come.
What?
Junior, you don't know go. Me go ball make you know say me devastated when he come.
This is stress now.
I don't know what me fi do when he ma come. What me fi do because he can't call that the girl there. Me more than that the girl, then the girl look better than me, you know. That make it burn me. Sure.
No time, ready for the road now, dads.
What happened to you? You drop? Turn the seatbelt. What happened to you? What's you crying for?
Why that one you bigger than me still?
What is the matter? Junior, sit up. Turn the seatbelt for me now.
We see when you take the girl number.
What you watching me for?
But when you take the girl number for?
So what wrong with that?
You shouldn't take the girl number.
You don't know if it's my friend?
Friend? You shouldn't take the girl number.
What? What you want me to do now?
No, you shouldn't take the girl number. You need to...
You want me to carry it back?
Yes, carry it
Alright,
back. You
carry it
shouldn't
back.
take the girl number.
Let me carry it back.
You shouldn't take the girl number.
Let me carry it back now.
Yes! Go on. No. Come, sorry.